Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are on the hunt for some winter wonderland nail accessories, Vettsy has you covered with a great variety of all things you need to get your nails festive this holiday season. And we're going to go through my latest order because they have so many good Black Friday sales happening right now with BOGO sales. So I figured let's unbox this order so you can see what kind of goodies I got so you can get a head start on all your holiday purchases. Plus, if you wanted to take advantage of any of the sales, now would be the time. Vettsy also ships directly from their warehouse, so shipping can take about a week and a half to 2 weeks, so just keep that in mind when you are placing your order. But there are no hidden tariff fees or anything like that. So the price you pay on the website, that is your final price, and then there's some amazing discounts. All right, so we're going right into this box. So the first thing that we have in here, I picked up a couple nail charms. They sold them individually, which I really like that option because then you're not stuck with like a whole bunch of random nail charms. You actually got ones that you like and you're going to use, and they were like roughly $1. And then after a discount, I think they probably came to like 89 cents. But these charms are absolutely fantastic. They're beautiful. They're really well made. This one right here, it's like the perfect little Christmas tree with that dangly star right there. This one just like melts my whole heart. And then here's what the trees look like. I got two different styles, but I really like that star just hanging from that Christmas tree. And then I also picked up a few snowflakes. And I was pleasantly surprised by the large variety of charms that they have individually. I just think that's a really nice touch. And then I picked up a classic holiday bow with gold and red accents. And then the moment I saw these cute little charms right here, they reminded me of kind of like a sugar Christmas cookie. I don't know, I think they're so cute with the pops of color. I really like that pink tree as well. And then I do like the soft touch of gold carried out through the trees just to give it that soft, delicate touch. And then this right here, this is really fun. This is kind of like a Christmas hodgepodge, kind of like all your nail glitters and beads all in one. This is called the XMAS Wreath DIY Set. So if you've seen like those trendy like make your own wreaths or doing like a Christmas tree and then putting the balls in to make it look like ornaments, this right here is everything you need to achieve that nail look. There's also some stars in here, some bows. Overall, it's a really great mix. I do like the colors. And again, we're carrying in some more gold accents, but that snowflake is absolutely beautiful. I do like that it's a mix, so then you kind of have best of both worlds in here. Instead of grabbing everything individually, you have it all in one to create those really fun accents this holiday season. So I cannot wait to dive into that. And then another thing that I picked up, it's pretty much the same similar concept, but this is their XMAS nail bead set. And the beads, there are some really tiny beads in here, and I figured that would be perfect for decorating that Christmas tree with those smaller size beads. And then they do have a silicone sale. It's a buy one, get one. So if you are looking for some silicone molds, not only holiday, but for any time of year, or just want to get some staple silicone molds, definitely take advantage of the BOGO sale. This one was like $1. Now, to make sure that you're triggering that buy one, get one for that sale, you want to make sure that you are shopping in the right section for the silicone molds or any of the BOGO sales. So when you get to the main screen for the Vettsy nail, you want to scroll all the way down. It's going to show you all the Black Friday sales of the buy one, get one. And then once you click on the silicone molds, you see how it says nail art molds BOGO sale. That's where you want to shop from for selecting all your silicone molds. You do not want to jump anywhere else on the website and select molds from not in this category. You want to make sure you stick on this page right here and then select your molds, because that's what's going to trigger your discount. So let's say you only pick one mold from here and then you're browsing through the website and you select a different mold, not from this window, it will not trigger that discount. So just be mindful of when you're shopping that you are completing all your shopping for your molds in that BOGO section right here. All right, so then up next, I picked up some really fun glitters. This is a chunky glitter, fine glitter, and then a fun mixture glitter on the bottom. This is going to be a good option for some really fun sugar nails. I did get the fall version of this in my last Vettsy haul that I will link in the cards after this video, and that fall one was so fun. And I really like the rustic colors of that. So I was really excited to see that they created one for the holiday season. So I just took off the bottom just so you can see the different shapes that they included. The bottom one has just like some really fun loose glitters that are perfect touch in addition to any nail art. And then I picked up tons of stickers and some really fun nail stencils. I love their stickers and their nail stencils. They're absolutely a game changer, especially for these right here. So these are the nail stickers. So I got some bows, and I got some moons, some stars, some like everyday basic ones. And then I also picked up some hearts, which I figured would be kind of like a jump start for Valentine's Day. And then I picked up some holiday ones. I ended up getting some snowflakes that were in a holiday collection, and then I did purchase a snowflake that was sold separately as well. And these stencils are super easy to use. I'm going to do a full video on them, but I've been loving them. If you saw my vampy Halloween nail look where I used the bat ones, that one turned out absolutely fantastic. So when they created those stencils for Halloween, I was like, okay, hopefully, once again, I hope that they create some for the holiday season, and they definitely did. So when I saw that they released them, I had to grab them immediately. They're just a really fun way just to incorporate some really easily effortless nail art, especially if you want like kind of like an aurora effect with like a snowflake or a Christmas tree. I did a look recently with the snowflakes that you see here and the Christmas tree, and I'll insert a picture right here so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so I utilized the snowflakes and the Christmas tree, and then I added a little star piece of glitter right on top of that Christmas tree. Overall, a really simple and fun nail look. I will do a full tutorial on these in the next few weeks, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can check out that video, because once you see how these are used, again, they're a game changer. And if you're really looking to jumpstart your nail stencil game, just check out that vampy Halloween nail look I did using the bat ones, and then that's the same technique that I used for that snowflake one. And then we have some stocking ones, and then the next one are these adorable little reindeers, which I think are absolutely perfect not only for the holiday season but for winter. And then I picked up some different snowflakes and some just like winter nail stickers. These are the 3D nail stickers. I prefer a 3D nail sticker. I just feel like they're a little bit easier to use. They're a little bit more forgiving, especially when you're trying to peel them from the sheet themselves. And then if you do mess up on your placement, you have some wiggle room where you could carefully remove the sticker without ripping it. I just feel like the 3D ones just give you a little bit more leeway when it comes to placing and moving that sticker around on the nail to get it exactly where you want it. These trees are so fun. I just really like the pops of color. But overall, there are tons of stickers and nail stencils to pick from Vettsy. So whatever avenue you're going down, you're going to find something that definitely catches your eye. And then they also included a freebie in this order. This time they included a cat eye gel polish. They also included a magnet in here as well to go with this. But this right here kind of gave me like polar ice kind of vibes. It's overall a really beautiful color. I do not know the name of it or anything like that. It was just a freebie. I'm assuming there was a color indicator on the cap and it was lost, so that is why that freebie came to me. And then the last item that I picked up was this stamping plate, because I felt like this was not only great for the holiday season, but this is a great stamping plate for winter. And I really liked the snowflakes from the trees to the presents to like the sweater design. It also came with a really large scraper card, and I really like that stamping plate, so I cannot wait to see how that performs as well. But that was everything from our Vettsy nail haul. And again, make sure if you are taking advantage of any of those Black Friday sales that Vettsy has to offer, that you are shopping from that main screen first, and then making sure you're selecting all your BOGO items from there first, and then you can pivot and maneuver through the rest of the website and grab some things. But just to make sure you're getting that BOGO discount, shop from that BOGO tab only, otherwise it will not trigger that. All right, so if you have any questions about the sale, let me know. I will go ahead and link everything that you saw in today's video in that description box below for easy shopping. And then when there is no sales, you can always use my discount code as well. I do not think it stacks on the sale, but you can always try. I'm not really sure if it stacks or not, but the Black Friday sale is definitely great. I have never seen a BOGO sale so far, especially on the silicone molds with Vettsy. So that is really awesome that they incorporated that this year. And I cannot wait to see what they come up with for the winter season and Valentine's Day, because I'm already blown away by the fall haul that we did recently and now this one. So make sure you stay tuned. We are going to create some really fun nail looks utilizing some of the products that I got in this box over the next few weeks. And I will see you all in the next one.